I wanted to open up this old computer cable. I wanted to see if there was any solid core wires hidden inside, and they're not. They're all flexible wires, which is what I'm having issues with building the circuit. Most of the wire that I have is made out of multiple pieces of thin wire, all put together. Oh, look! I found solid core wire just by looking in my box. I didn't realize I had 2 screws. Don't you like it when you figure things out? So this is solid core. This is flexible wire that's got like multiple strands in the wire. Let's see if I can show you. So this has got multiple strands, whereas this one is solid core. That's what I need. That's what I've been having issues with. Now I can make a whole bunch of jumper wires, which will make building circuits 500 times easier. Cool. Alright, so I want to remove these 2 LEDs. One of them is burned out. I believe it's this one that's burned out. I'm going to replace it with these 2 so I can get the flashing to work. Well, that took a couple of minutes to get out. The ones I left the leads on, I actually cut them off and was able to pull the long pieces out by hand as I released the solder. The one I cut the leads on was a little bit harder. What did the trick was getting the clips underneath the LED and squeezing as I released the solder, and it came right out. Now the issue is going to be getting the new LEDs in without too much trouble. Alright, let's try that. Alright, I got the LED soldered. I'm going to leave the leads on for the moment until I'm sure that it's going to work. Let's try plugging it up. Alright, I got it plugged in. Now I'm going to turn on the power supply. And there it goes. Sweet. I wonder how bright it gets. So if I can increase this. Seems to make them brighter. No, it doesn't even make them brighter. The less voltage, the faster the LEDs blink, which is what I came across in my circuit the other day. Interesting. Now I'm wondering what kind of sound I can make this have, but because it's just blinking back and forth, I don't know. It would be interesting to play with. Can I make this into an oscillator for a speaker?